Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the three types of food test, and these are very simple and easy tests we can do at home. Okay, so the first one is the test for starch, the second is for protein and for fats. Okay, so let's discuss the test for starch. Okay, this is very simple test. You just need the food item and the iodine solution. Okay, we can test the presence of starch by putting 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution on the food item. Okay, you just need any food item, and you have to put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on this. If you get blue black color, okay, it means there is a starch present. Okay, simply you take food items like potatoes, bread and rice. Okay, so simply you take for example, you take rice, okay, and put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on this, and if it will change the color from white to blue black, then it means there is a presence of starch. Okay, in short, you just remember the food item, for example rice, potato and bread, and you take reagent, that is iodine solution, and in the result you get blue black color, it means starch is present. Okay, the next one is test for protein. Okay, so we can test the presence of protein on a food item. If the food item is solid, you make it a paste or in powder form, and to this add 10 drops of water. After that you have to put 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. The formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4, and after that 10 drops of caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide or NaOH. And after that, if you get the food item's color is violet, then it means there is a presence of proteins. Okay, simply if you want to learn in a short way, you just take a food item, for example pulses, egg or milk, and the reagent we use copper sulfate solution or sodium hydroxide, and this test is also known as Buret test. Okay, and if in the result you will get violet purple color, it means there is a presence of protein. Okay, so this is the test for protein, and the third one is the test for the fat. This is very simple and very easiest test. You can test for fats present in food item. Take a small quantity of food and just wrap it in a piece of paper, okay, and crush it simply, and appearance of an oily patch on the paper, this shows that fat is present. Okay, simply you take a butter, oil or nuts and rub on a paper. For example, you take peanuts and wrap these peanuts 2 to 4 pieces you take and put in the paper, and if you rub with the both hands the paper, and there is a translucent oily spot on the paper, and what it will shows that there is a presence of fat. Okay, so this is the test for fats, and thank you for today.